I recently got a HP Zbook Studio workstation. The model I got came with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. In this video I just wanted to show this Zbook. It's a great workstation that I've been looking to buy for a long time. And this is the G9 model 2022. And in this video I wanted to show you how you might want to upgrade your RAM and storage on this model. I decided to upgrade mine to the maximum RAM allowed, that is 64 gigabytes, and also upgrade my storage to 4 terabytes. The RAM that I got was named Crucial. It comes in two 32 gigabytes modules, and the SSD that I ordered is the Western Digital 4 terabyte. It's the 850X. That's the latest model they have. It was about $550 and the RAM was about $200. At the time of recording this video, I've been using this model for about a month, mostly for game development and running virtual machines on it as well. That's why I need 64 gigabytes of RAM. It helps keeping everything smooth and running smooth. This model came with GTX 3070. It's a pretty decent mobile graphics card, well worth the money at about $3,300. So far I've really enjoyed using this workstation. It does everything I need, and it's worth mentioning that this is a mobile workstation and it's understandable that it runs hot and the fans are not that quiet. So if you're running a few applications or running a game, the fans will get loud. I don't have a problem with that, honestly. I'm just happy that I have a mobile workstation. Now, the things I dislike about this workstation are mostly around applications. One of the worst applications that there is the Z-Lite Studio that comes with this workstation so that you can customize your RGB backlit keyboard. It's a good software, it's a okay software, but it does use a lot of CPU for what it is. You just have to kill it after you set your preference with the keyboard. It's a shame that HP hasn't fixed this. I hope they do in the future. All in all, this is a good workstation. It's very powerful, it's not too heavy, and if you need a mobile workstation, I do recommend this model. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoy the rest of the video.